Hi, do you want to learn how to create wonderful concept art pieces and have a chance to earn money with your passion? So let me introduce you to this tutorial about concept art. Because in this tutorial, that is available in English and French, you'll learn in a structured method how to create professional images adapted to the entertainment industry. In this 2.5-hour tutorial, you'll learn some digital painting techniques in Photoshop, and we'll go through the fundamental drawings and how to use them to create your own artwork. You'll start painting like an expert from sketch to final rendering that will guarantee you a high-quality final image. With this technique, you'll be able to paint any kind of environment in the graphic style that you desire, whether you're a beginner or an advanced artist. So if you're interested in pushing your drawings and skills to the next level, please click the link on the description, and you'll be able to download the tutorial on my Gumroad page. Check it out, guys, and see you soon on the next video. Bye!